Alright everyone, I got another Wonda coffee, and this time it's a Lamborghini Countach. Let's take a look here. So this is a freebie that came with a can of coffee in Japan. It would snap on to the actual can itself. So I think this is brand new because I don't think this tape has ever been taken off. Or does it just open this way? Well, I think it was still brand new. So this pops off this base. Let's see, I think this is an old toy. So Asahi Beer owns the Wonda brand of coffees. It's an LP500S. Some orthographic views. I'm looking for a date. I think the Countach was around in 73 with the 400, blah 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 blah. There's some story of the whole car. And then there's a couple other cars here. I do have this. I don't have the other ones. I'll try to get those. Ooh, a 350 GT. That's cool. Alright. Let's get rid of this. So clearly, I mean, even as a cartoon, it doesn't really look quite like a Lambo, or the styling is very, very different. Right? It's taking the wedge doorstop to an extreme, this cartoon car. No paint apps in the back, it seems. Oh, it does have the Lambo writing, though. Alright, well, let's take a look here. Well, this is really weird looking. Okay. The tires are so small, it's kind of like a Disney Pixar car. You know, one of those cars from one of those Pixar animations being so tiny. Is this a metallic red? I think there's some metal flakes in the plastic itself. I don't think it's painted. It's nice to know it is a Wonda car. What we don't know is when it was made. Alright. So the back, it does say Lamborghini Countach S. Unfortunately, there's no paint for the tail lights. Yeah, the rear wing is Hot Wheels style. It's nice that there's black paint here on these vents. Yeah, and here and here. And the front end's got some silver there. Little big giant Lambo badge. Little silver on these, that's nice. No extra paint there though. So then, yeah, this thing opens, the scissor doors. Oh, they're spring-loaded or something. There's some sort of tension. I don't want it to break. Let me try the other side. Okay. Oh, I see. In that hinge, there's a ball detent, I think. And so that ball is what makes it feel like a spring. So there's the spring motor back there. So this is a wind-up toy. Takes off. Let's see if I can get that other side open. Boy, that does feel like it's gonna break though. No, it did work. Alright, let's go back to that photo. Yeah, that is cartoon scissor doors. Yeah, this thing is funny. Alright, well, let's see here. I did pull up this image here. So these are the other cars in the collection. It looks like just like that piece of paper, but a little bit bigger. Alright, let's get this thing going. One side down. Alright, so I have a Kyosho. It's on the bottom it says LP500S. And I think this car was around 1985 to 1987. So I'm not sure what the difference is between an LP500S and an LP5000S. Please leave a comment if you know. They both have the big wing and like these fender flares and stuff like that. So I'm not sure what, it might just be a terminology mistake or something. Anyways. Let's see, I do have this Wonda choro-q from that collection. Let me open up a door though. Just has side doors. do have this, well, I'm going to pull this yellow Lamborghini Countach LP500S from choro-q, but I 3D printed my own wheels, so they look a little more like the real car. And then I have a Miura. There's a Lambo Miura from choro-q 0. And then the star would be the choro-q 0 of the Countach 5000V. Let's just have Countaches. So again, if this is a 5000V and this is a 500S, I'm not sure what the difference is on the real cars. But obviously you can see a big difference in the quality of the toys here. You know, the choro-q brand, as cartoonish as they do look more like the real car. This Wonda, whoever designed this CAD file, just thought up their own thing. You know, it's interesting. It's interesting. That's the best way I could put it. I'm still happy to have it because it's so weird looking, but it just, you know, isn't quite a Countach, you know, compared to the choro-qs at least. Okay, well, anyways, this video is about this guy, so. And I think today Spider-Man needs to be hanging out. Alright, well, it's a possibility I'll actually get all those other Wondas. I do like this whole deformed style. It just depends if they're cheap enough. Alright, well, thanks for checking this out, and see you again.